Hey, Louisa, what's happening?
Nothing much, Brian.
Well,
Nothing
you know
much. What's going on?
I think you're an amazing person. I
Thank
just
you.
love your personality, love who you are. But you know what? Sometimes those people that we love the most, we give them challenges.
All right, challenge.
Are you up for a challenge?
Yeah,
You
I'm
know,
up for a challenge.
like you've always seemed to me like someone who's just ready to go after any challenge.
I'm ready. I'm
Any
ready.
challenge?
I'm ready. What do you got
Are
for me?
you sure?
I'm positive.
I need to hear. I need to feel it inside my bones.
Brian, I'm ready for this
Okay.
challenge.
So, we have a fun challenge just for you.
Okay.
We have our Norwex cleaning paste,
All right.
which is one of our most amazing products.
It really is.
But it's pretty thick, right?
It is. It
So
is.
what we want to know is how many swipes does it take to get to the bottom of the Norwex cleaning paste?
Oh my goodness. Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
I know you can do it.
I'm ready.
Do you know you can do it?
I can do it.
I know you can,
I can do it.
Well, let's see how many it takes.
Okay. Well, let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 370, 371, 72, 73, 74, 892, 893, 894, 2,645. 2,646. 3,838 swipes. Oh, I finally did it. Brian, it took 3,838 swipes.
Wow!